Now, how to access the INSET 2024 programs? This is the step-by-step guide. Where can we access the NEA prepared programs? Ito po yung sagot. Okay po? Step 1, open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser. Pwede Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. Ano po? In the address bar, type or paste the following URL. Picturean nyo na po or kopyahin nyo na po dyan yung ating link and press enter. After that, step 2, navigate to NEA PD program. Ayan. So in the menu part dito po sa left side, meron pong NEA core program. Then select one of the available programs from the list. Okay po. So that induction, regular, subject content, master classes, matatag curriculum training, or special program. And then, for example, kinilik natin yung regular programs. After selecting a program, look for the option labeled INSET 2024 programs and click on it to view the available options. Tingnan niyo po yung nasa screen natin. Yung nasa screen po natin, nakalagay po dyan, INSET 2024 and the title of the program. Yung pangalawa po, INSET 2024, then another title of the program. Ano po? Yung may mga label po ng INSET 2024, those are the ones suggested by NEA to be adopted by the field. Okay po? At pag naklik na yan, what's next? Access program materials. To view or download program materials, click on the link. Yan. Picture na po ulit natin yung link. And then this will direct you to the hub where the materials are available for download. Okay? So ito na po ang lalabas kapag kinilik nyo na po yung ating link. Create a DepEd account. Ensure you have this is for those who do not have DepEd account yet. Ensure you have a valid DepEd email. The valid DepEd email, ito po yung may @deped.gov.ph address. If you don't have an account on the PDLMS, you need to create one using your DepEd email. Then complete the required information form so that you will be able to download or access the materials. Ano? Bakit kailangan pa ng required information? Bakit kailangan pa natin ng form? Ano? Bakit hindi pwedeng i-click na lang yan, then download na automatically? Siyempre, being here in the central office, we have to monitor which ones are accessed, which ones were taught by the field that can be relevant as of now para po ma-monitor namin para po malaman namin kung sino ang gagamit ng ating mga program.